Hello everyone, with this video we will demonstrate how to disassemble Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Before disassembling Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, let's take a look at some important prerequisite tools and parts required for this process. Remove SIM card tray using ejack pin. Remove and replace AOD center absorber rubber with a new one. Place the device on AOD. Fix and align the device. Close the heater upper. Please note, use disassembly jig to avoid any damage. Remove the back glass tape and clean residue. Disconnect